written in your deep blue eyes, the day has begun. You spin around, you laugh till you...
Hi friends, today I am at this luxury 5-star hotel called Taj Santacruz, which is very close to the Mumbai domestic airport, and I am going to be taking you for a walkthrough in this beautiful property. In this video I will be showing you there are various category of rooms which are obviously available and not occupied, and also all other facilities and services that this beautiful property has to offer. And if you guys are interested, then keep on watching this video till the end.
In every color, resting your head in my arms, you sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows.
So here we have Mr. Sagar from Taj Santacruz with us. He is from the front office department and he is going to take us for a walkthrough to the hotel. Most of the rooms in the hotel are all choco blocked, but there is just one club room which is available, which is vacant. So he will show us the room and he'll also give us a bit of information about the other room categories, the facilities and the services that they provide over here. Now I hand over the screen and the mic to Mr. Sagar. Sure.
We have the luxury facade facing room, starting the base category. We have the city, then we have the luxury city category. Then we have the pool facing the runway. When it goes for the club category, the junior suite, luxury suite, the grand luxury, and the presidential. I'll be showing you across the Taj Club room, which is facing the runway.
Sure, let's go. Okay, so now we are proceeding towards the room number
642.
642, which is a club room.
Club room facing the runway.
Facing the runway, okay. Okay. So here we are entering the club room, which has a nice closet area over here. And it has a huge bathroom with a bathtub and a shower room. There's a separate WC area. We'll just open the closet and you have your regulars like the iron, the slippers, the laundry bag. Wow, look at that view and that amazing king size bed. There's also a sofa. So is 3 guests allowed in the room?
Yes.
Okay. So if you have 3 adults or 2 adults and a kid or 2 kids traveling, they can use this room.
Absolutely.
There's a work desk. There's a lovely lounge chair. And then the best thing that this hotel has to offer is the airport runway view. It's beautiful. Do you provide bottled water as much as it is required or any particular limit?
As per the requirements, we put it across.
Okay.
There's no limit.
No limit. That's really nice. So drinking water is provided free of cost, included in the room rate. As much as you want, there's no limit to it. That's their Tikri restaurant, the buffet restaurant where they serve breakfast, lunch and dinner, buffet breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's right in the center of the hotel. Since all other category of rooms are occupied and we are unable to see them personally, I have a brochure over here given to me by Mr. Sagar very kindly, which explains me all the details, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. So firstly, I will be showing you what categories of room they have and what is the size of the room. So that gives you a clear picture of what kind of room you should book. The total inventory that they have, that is the total number of rooms that they have, is 279, which has multiple categories in it. So now I will be showing you the room categories. The rates keep on changing depending upon the dates you're booking. I will leave the link to their website in the description, so you'll have to check the rates with the hotel directly or on various hotel booking websites. Okay, so off to the details of the rooms. So as you can see, they have presidential suite, they have luxury suite, Taj Club rooms, luxury rooms, and all the rooms on one side of the wing are the airport runway facing rooms, and on the other side they are city facing rooms. Even if the rooms are runway facing, the windows and the walls are soundproof, so even if a jet plane flies from outside, you will not be disturbed with the takeoff noise. Okay friends, we are currently at the club lounge. Only if you book a club room with Taj Santacruz, you have access to this exclusive lounge which has the beautiful view of the airport runway, the domestic airport of Mumbai, and you can see the planes parked over there. There's a Go Air plane going off for a takeoff. So this is an amazing view and a exclusive lounge only accessible to the club room members. They do have their complimentary cocktail hours and other facilities in the club category of rooms.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself.
If you're looking for dining options, then the Taj Tikri is their buffet restaurant. As I have shown in my separate videos, they serve buffet breakfast, lunch and dinner. Very soon I will be uploading a video which will give you complete details about the buffet breakfast at Tikri. So stay tuned for that video. It will be coming up on my channel real soon. Until then, you can enjoy a few glimpses over here. They also have a restaurant called Rivia, which is operational only on weekends, and it starts at about 12:30 in the afternoon and it serves Mediterranean food. So if you would like to try that, you will have to be here only on a weekend. They also have about 6 meeting rooms or conference rooms, whatever you would want to call them, or banquet halls. So if you wish to have any kind of function, here are all the details, the number of guests that it can accommodate. So here is a convention facility capacity chart which will give you a clear picture of how many guests you can accommodate in which category of convention hall. They also have a well-equipped gym and a spa which is called Jiva, and swimming pool. So now let's go and explore those areas and those facilities. So here behind me you can see there's the fitness center and the changing room for the pool area. So let's go inside and check out the fitness room. So here are the changing areas for men and women. And now we'll move on towards the fitness center. I have heard it's a really well equipped gym. So here you have so many equipments wherein you can really work out. It's quite empty right now, but it's almost afternoon when I'm shooting this video. So obviously if it's in the morning, early in the morning or in the evening, I think it will get really crowded. And that's the pool outside. We'll go there and explore that area as well. So this is the pool area, and you can get floats and pool towels at the counter out here. There are deck chairs up there, and it's a very decent sized pool. where you can really enjoy with your family and friends. There aren't many deck chairs, frankly. There are a couple of them only, but I guess they can accommodate more currently because the crowd is less. The deck chairs are also less. So now we are at the Jiva Spa, and we'll have a look at the spa facilities available over here. So these are your rooms, spa rooms.
Relaxation.
This is the relaxation room.
This is relaxation room. After massage, we escort the guest over here for relax, and it's a heated seat and it's good for back.
Oh. This is
Couple room.
This is a couple room. Oh, so you can have a couple spa together over here. That's really nice. Oh, so what kind of different spas do you offer?
It's like full body massage, like relaxation, deep tissue, energizing, foot massage, head massage, scrub.
Okay.
And this is two rooms are occupied and this is the single rooms. The name is ours. The all names are named itself.
Okay.
So it's good. Very nice.
That's a lovely spa area. Such relaxing feel I get over here, even though I'm not here for a spa right now. The feeling is really relaxing. So these are the steam and sauna rooms.
Then this is steam, the sauna. And then steam.
And the shower.
So we have
This hotel also has direct access to the domestic airport. So you can walk this passage, and at the other side of the passage you will have the airport. You have the amazing Maserati showroom here. So if you love your mean machine, you can definitely come here and have a look at these amazing cars. So from here you can depart for your airport departure. That is all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this vlog and found it helpful. And if you have, then please give it a like, comment below, let me know your views, share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more such interesting videos. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Love you all.